Global equity markets were again mixed on Tuesday night. Economic data continues to drive the US market for the moment. Overnight, US building consents were stronger in June, and this did provide a little bit of optimism for markets, despite several large US companies announcing earnings results that didn't meet market expectations. Across the water to Europe, and equities were pretty heavy, with the UK announcing a larger than expected budget deficit for the month of June, and a bond auction coming out of Europe attracting less attention than was hoped for. The Kiwi dollar has traded up against all currencies, and on Wednesday morning we are trading at 71.40 against the US and 46.8p against the pound. The international fertiliser industry has announced that they are expecting to see increases in demand for fertilisers of about 5% over the next 2 years. The economic recovery as well as very strong agricultural food prices are driving this demand. Most of the demand is coming out of Asia as they lead most of the economic recovery for the globe at the moment. Yara International, which is the world's largest publicly listed nitrogen fertiliser company, have recently announced much stronger than forecasted earnings results. And this was mainly driven by increases in demand. This all would suggest that for us here in New Zealand, we should expect to see increases in fertilisers down the track. US dairy expansion has held up surprisingly well for the month of June. Dairy output is up 2.4% on last year levels, and this is the fourth consecutive month of year-on-year expansion for the US dairy industry. Despite 35,000 cows being slaughtered in their herd retirement program, many cows do seem to be slipping back through the back door. Since December, about 40,000 cows have entered the US dairy herd. It would not be surprising to see international dairy commodity prices be somewhat tested in the short term given this outcome. However, we still believe that dairy payout for us here in New Zealand will be in the late $6 range at this point in the season. This will be close to Fonterra's current forecast.